This is the Panasonic LUMIX G Vario 100-300mm f4.0-5.6 2 power O.I.S, and for such a long name I feel a little underwhelmed for once, but all is not lost. Let me tell you why. The lens offers a 200 to 600mm full frame equivalent that goes from f4 to f5.6 with a 1.5 meter minimum focus distance. Now on the side you'll see we've got a power O.I.S on off switch. It's a 67mm filter thread. Yeah, it's mostly plastic, but it's well constructed and it's a very decent 520 grams at £487. Is it worth it? Let's continue the conversation after a few samples. It feels good even on a smaller body. It's naturally not fast, starting at f4 then going to 5.6 at the longest, but that's fine in most outdoor shooting scenarios. It doesn't give the most accurate focusing experience that I've had at all, but otherwise it's smooth and fast. Wide open, it's not so sharp. Yes, this copy felt a little off compared to other lenses that I've used for the system, as we said, but it's still not bad at all. A little stop down soon clears things up. Now, fringing is also present, wide open, but it's certainly not a fatal problem. This lens performs well when it comes to capturing well-balanced colours, decent micro contrast and details. I didn't feel particularly blown away, but then we didn't have the best days with this thanks to the UK weather this time of year. At around £487, I think it's a good entry into shooting, for example, outdoors, wildlife and sports with the right body. You're not going to get the ultimate experience, but it's definitely capable. Maybe I just had a bad time with it over the weeks I was playing with this lens, and yeah, I didn't really feel inspired by it, but looking at it with my sensible hat on, it performs well. And considering the brilliant range and the decent speed in good light, I can recommend the lens. Now, as you've probably guessed, as has been the theme with these Panasonic lenses, Mine was loaned from Wex in Birmingham, and I have to say, even more so, you've got to go in and try it out first. There's a lot of micro four thirds shooters that can attest to the quality of this lens, and you may well find inspiration using this lens where I haven't yet. What other micro four thirds lenses should we feature? Let us know in the comments below, subscribe, and I'll see you there.